Are you tired that your beautiful videos look bad when you upload them to YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you the best settings for Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go! Hello everybody, my name is Enrique, and if you are new to the channel don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for the notifications. Now let's jump right into it. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using my channel trailer that I just finished editing right here. We have to open the export settings box. For that you can press Ctrl M in the keyboard, or you can easily go to File, Export, Media. This is the export settings. First thing that you want to check is the format. H.264 is the one that we want. The output name, let's change it for anything that you want to call your video. For example, channel trailer I already exported, that's why it's here. But let's do tutorial 1. Perfect. Save. Don't forget to check the export video and export audio settings, because it have happened to me that I forget that one of these is not checked, and you finish to render, maybe it needs 20 minutes or more, and you don't have any audio on the video. That is not fun. Now let's go into the video tab down here. The first thing that I want you to do is to check the frame rate and choose the one that is the same as the frame rate that you use to film your video and to make your editing. For example, mine is 25 frames per second, so that's what I'm going to click. Now, click on Render at Maximum Depth. As said right here, it's going to improve the video quality, but increases also how long the encoding is going to take. Remember that in the type of computer that you have. Now, in encoding settings right here, where it says Profile, let's check this box. Where state mine, you're going to set it on high. This is also going to make that the encoding is a little bit with higher quality. Let's go all the way down into bitrate settings. This is the most important part of the settings that you have to use. You have to change the bitrate encoding to CBR and the target bitrate to 40 megabytes per second. The file size is going to be really big, but also think that when you have a lot of moving scenes, this is going to really improve the bitrate of the video and to make the quality look amazing when you upload it to YouTube. Because YouTube, to be able to show you all these different resolutions in all of these different devices, you have to think YouTube, you can watch it on your mobile, on your tablet, on your computer, on your television. You can see it everywhere, and you can choose what resolution to use. Have to really heavily compress your video. So if you don't make the export with a good quality, it's going to show in this. You're going to see a lot of compression, you are going to see some artifacts on the video. The last thing I want you to do is to use right here, check the box that use maximum render quality. Again, it's going to improve the quality scaling, but it's going to take longer to encode. Now, let's save the preset, okay? Here on preset, on the right side is the Save Preset button with the arrow pointing down. Click on there and you put the name that you want to use it. For example, let's make YouTube Full HD. I put 2 because I think I already have one like this. Click on OK. So next time that you want to export your video with these settings, you don't need to search again for everything that you have to change. It's going to be already for there. In the audio, you can also change some things. Normally it's already preset like this, but let's go over it just to be sure that you have the best settings that you can use for the audio. Audio codec, AAC, sampler rate at 48,000 Hz, audio quality in high. You can choose low or medium, but I don't know why. I don't know why somebody's going to use these ones. And the bitrate settings, put it at the maximum, that is 320. That's it. It's ready to click export and to finish your video. But you have to think something. If you have a really slow internet speed, the videos are going to be really big. For example, this video that is only 53 seconds long is 262, I cannot speak today. This video that is 53 seconds long is going to be 262 megabytes. So when you do a video that is 10 minutes long or longer, you are thinking about file size upwards of the 2 gigabytes. Let's export it. And that's it, guys. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can make them in the comments down below. And don't forget to like the video if you like it. And like always, see you on the next time, guys. Bye bye.